Many radioactive elements glow in the dark, but in reality they do not glow because the radiation emitted by radioactive materials is not visible to the human eye. There are ways to convert this invisible energy to visible light by shearing off radiation, as we see in the clock at night. Surface of Mars is red because of presence of iron oxide. The iron within the dust reacts with oxygen producing a red rust color. Hot water freezes faster because when the hot water cools, it loses mass to evaporation. With less mass, the liquid has to lose less heat to cool, and so it cools faster. Bromine is liquid because the intermolecular forces are strong enough that it does not vaporize. And mercury is only the metal which is liquid. Mercury has low melting point and is poor thermal conductivity. We can see mercury in the thermometers. Amazon rainforest produces 20% of the world oxygen in the atmosphere, and we know oxygen is the most important part of our life.